Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how we're going to repurpose these nice iron benches and chairs. So we're going to be spray painting the chairs using this. So stay tuned for the transformation. And we also got different cushions at Lowe's. So we're going to be transforming the space and also the chairs. Stay to grass. And then we're going to bring our chair over. We're going to remove the cushions. Make sure you shake your spray paint so it goes on nice and even. Spray painting the bench. Nice and light. This is a nice, inexpensive way to do a backyard transformation. Just get spray paint, and if you have an older piece like this that's nice and strong, refurbish. There you have it, Royals. So I'm going to let it dry for a bit, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. Hey Royals, so here's the finished product. So the cushion's a little bit small for the chair, but it still looks amazing. And here's the other chair. So these are two separate cushions. I just joined them together. And then I just added this table that I had in the garage, and I just spray painted these lanterns black. And I spray painted this florist pot blue. And this is an artificial plant that we just added in there. And I just went over these lanterns with spray paint, and I just added some flowers, a vase at the bottom there. So these cushions were on sale at Lowe's, and I just picked them up, spray painted, as you guys know, these chairs that I had in the backyard. And I added this mat that's on the floor. This one I also got at Lowe's for a good price. I don't remember the price, but right now Lowe's have a sale. I'm not promoting them, I'm not getting paid, I'm just telling you where the goodies are, okay? So there you have it. Simple, inexpensive backyard transformation. We also have another transformation over there. I'll go over this one another day, but there you have it. So we just added additional seating in the backyard. So when we're barbecuing over there, which is a bit of a mess, we have an area that we can sit down and have amazing conversation. The kids, my grandkids, and my husband. Okay, so there you have it. Quick, easy transformation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Blessings.